Okay, we got this magnetic dry erase calendar whiteboard thing, and you can see here that it actually says it comes with an eraser, 3 magnetic boards, which it does, they're all curled up there, 6 marking pens, magnetic notes, see the little magnetic notes, and stickers, and all this kind of stuff here that came in the package. And it says it came with 6 markers, but it actually looks like it came with 8 of them there. And it has this little to-do list magnet. I'll have to unroll them here and flatten them out a little bit and stuff, but this is the to-do list, and then there's like different, oh, there's the little eraser thing there, and there's these different, have to flatten these out too because they're all rolled up, but you can see there's a monthly planner if I can get it there. That one says weekly, and I guess the daily one is the to-do list there, because there's those 2 in that pile right there, and then you got the daily to-do list, which is this one right here. So yeah, pretty cool. And so you got daily, weekly, monthly, and you can actually put them on different surfaces. Like you can put the monthly one on your refrigerator, the weekly one in your office, or vice versa, or whatever. And anyway, yeah, it'd be really good. I am gonna flatten these out and get them up and see where I can, which ones I'm going to put where. I don't know yet.